Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm installing this sunglass holder to my XC60. This is what came in the kit. You have some tools, 2 screws with brackets and 2 covers, and of course the sunglass holder. This sunglass holder will replace the handle up here. So we'll start off by removing the handle, and we'll start with bringing down these covers. And remove the 2 bolts inside. And now, with the bolts removed, we can take out the handle. Just pry it off gently. Now take your sunglass holder and put it in place. And take this screw with the bracket and screw it in. And finally, put the covers on. The sunglass holder is now installed, and we do have a small handle over here, and the inside of the sunglass holder is filled with good material to reduce noise, and it is also nicely dampened. The only downside, I would say, is that the color of the sunglass holder doesn't quite match with the headliner of the car. I'm not sure if the camera can pick it up, but it is more grayish than the headliner. The store that I got these from did have them in different colors, So I will put the link in the description below if anyone is interested. And as always, if you have any questions, please put them in the comments below, and please like and subscribe. Thanks.